Hello, this is another of the help videos from Maze Online. This one is about context menus and using them for cut and paste and copy and paste. Chances are if you're watching this video you're already using a mouse and you're probably using the left mouse button a lot to do things. Oops, wrong mouse. But have you thought about what the right button's for? Well, the right mouse button is for finding out things. And usually it brings up a context menu. Let me move that out the way and show you what some of the context menus are. What is context? When you go out and you meet people, you speak differently to different people. If you're with your friends, you talk very differently to the way that you talk when you're with strangers. And what you're doing is you're being aware of where you are. And as the context changes, then the way you speak changes. We use context in the same way on computers. What it means is where you are makes a difference. So I'm going to be pressing the right mouse button in a few places on this screen and show you some of the differences. If I put the mouse in the middle of the desktop here and right click, it shows this group of options. And if I click away and then move down to, say, the taskbar at the bottom and right-click there, I get a different group of options. It depends where I press the right mouse button. If I come down here to these icons in the corner and right-press those, it's very different again. So the context menu gives you different options according to where you are on the screen, or what program you're in even. So just pressing the right mouse button makes a difference. So let's have a try at using the context menu in Microsoft Word. Here's the document with nothing in it at the moment. I'm going to click on here and write some words. A little mouse. Now, I just typed that in. I've picked the mouse up again. You can see that I'm spinning it around. The left mouse button, remember, does things. The right mouse button finds out things. So, the left mouse button, I am going to drag through the A. So I'm holding down the left mouse button and dragging through the A. Various things come up on the screen which I'm just going to ignore, but I'm going to right click on that shaded area. When I right click on that first word, I have the option to cut it. And to actually do that, I have to click the left mouse button to do it. So, I used the left to drag and highlight, the right to find out what I could do, and the left to actually cut it. And it's the same when it comes to pasting. So I'm going to click somewhere else here, and I'm going to click at the end. So that was a left click to select the place where I'm going to put the letter. Then a right click shows me my options, and the left click pastes it into place. I'll do that again. Left is going to drag through mouse, so I'm holding down the left and dragging through mouse. Then on the shaded area, right click shows me the options, and then to cut, I'm actually going to click on the word cut, the left click, and it disappears. It's actually going onto a clipboard that we can't see, so I always say just imagine the clipboard's out of the way under the table. You don't see it, but it is there and it is on it. Then you can click somewhere else. I'm going to try before the word little this time. So I'm going to left click to say where I want it to be. Then I'm going to right click to find out what I can do. It's showing me the paste options. Again, I'm ignoring these top ones here, but the paste options are here. And it shows me what it's going to do before it actually does it. You see it all jumps into place even as I hover over it. But when I click it, and I'm doing that with the left mouse button to actually make it do it now, paste. then it stays in place. And you can keep doing that. Left, right, left, cut. Left, right, the left click, paste. Left, right, cut, left, right, paste. So that's using the context menu to cut and paste things from one place to another. You can use the same again. I can click on the whole sentence, so I can left drag, so that's the left, then anywhere on the shaded area, right, and I could do copy instead of cut. Then I can left, right, left, and make a copy of it. So both copy and paste and cut and paste can be done using the context menu. The right click tells you what you can do and where you can do it. And the interesting thing is, you can also click onto files and folders. So here is where I've got my pictures, and I can left click on this picture, right click to find out what I can do with it, and one of the options is copy. Then I can come back to my document here, and then left, right, left. And that's using the context menu to copy and paste or cut and paste. And anywhere you go on a computer, if you're not sure what you can do in that place, then right click to find out, and you get a whole raft of options. And it may even help you with some of the spell checking, because that's where a lot of those words come up as well. Hope you found this video interesting, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.